Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so glad to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share my weekly weigh-in, an update on how I'm doing, and then I want to share my menu for the upcoming week with you guys. I have done videos like this before in the past. I was kind of trying to incorporate it in my day in a life videos, but I don't ever remember to tell you what I lost. So I'm going to try to do a weekly weigh-in video with you guys each week. So that means now I'm going to be posting on Sundays and Tuesdays at least, and then my weigh-in video, if it's not on the Tuesday or the Sunday, will be another day during the week. But I am going to do a weigh-in and a menu review with you guys. So for those of you who aren't familiar with my WW journey, I have been doing Weight Watchers for about 2 years now. I was on the blue plan and the green. I started on the green plan and then I switched to the blue plan, and now we're all on the personal points plan. My free foods include chicken, avocado, and popcorn, and I think seafood, like the shrimp and stuff. I don't know if there's any more than that, but yeah. I currently get 34 points a day for personal points. And I'm kind of getting back on track with the whole WW thing. I kind of fell off the track for a while there, and this is my get back on track time. So anyways, let me go ahead and tell you how I did last week. As far as tracking goes, I did pretty good. I did do some meal prep, which really helped. I think for me, meal prepping is key to staying on track. Otherwise, I get bored, I get restless, my mind wanders, and I eat all kinds of crazy food. Surprise, surprise. If I find that if I do meal prep, when I have those moments of stress, because I'm a big time stress eater, the food's already right there in front of me, and I make a lot healthier choices as far as my food goes. We ate out a lot less than we normally do, which is awesome. And that's about it. I can't think of anything else. This video is going to be so scatterbrained. It's going to take me a minute to get back in the swing of doing this stuff. As far as my goals go, I was trying to earn a badge called 7 Days Strong, and that is a badge that you can earn. It's on the WW app. When you do the weigh-in, it's at the top of the screen and it says start earning badges. I've earned the Weekend Warrior, which means that I tracked, I think, all 3 meals for Saturday and Sunday. And the 7 Days Strong, it said, the way I interpreted it, is that you have to track at least 1 meal for 7 days in a row. But I didn't get the badge for some reason, and I tracked every day. So I'm wondering if maybe I was supposed to track a specific meal, like breakfast every day for 7 days. I don't know. And then there's another one that you can earn, and I don't remember what it's called, but you have to track breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 7 days in a row. And I'm not the strongest tracker, so I'm going to work on this 7 Days Strong, and that's going to be my goal for next week. And hopefully I'll get my badge. I'll show you guys if I get it. As far as my other goals for the week, I do want to meal prep again. I have a few things set up. And then the other thing that I want to work on is trying to figure out if I'm really hungry or if it's my emotions telling me that I'm hungry. The app said that if you start to have a craving for a specific food, or if you're feeling hungry and you know that it's too early, your body isn't really telling you that you're hungry, but you're wanting to go and grab like something from the refrigerator, wait 5 minutes. And if you're still wanting that food, then go get it. But yeah, I don't even know how to explain that, guys. I'm so scatterbrained today. Gosh darn. But anyways, I want to focus on determining when my body is actually hungry, when I need to eat, versus my emotional eating. And that 5 minutes kind of gives me some time to sit back and evaluate the situation, what's going on. And I've noticed a couple times that it kind of stopped me from grabbing some food, so I want to continue to work on that for this week. As far as my weigh-in goes, I did lose 1.2 pounds, which means for the 4 weeks that I've been doing WW consistently, I'm down a total of 9 pounds. Altogether, I'm down just over 20 pounds, but there's so many gaps and stuff in between there. I'm just going to stick with the 4 weeks that I've been on it this time. As far as my menu goes, guys, I am really into menu planning. I use an app called Notion. It's an app that you can get on your phone, or you can go to the website. I think it's notions.com. I'll link it down below, but I love it because it's very convenient. You can create different task forms, and it just works out really well for what I want to do. So the first part that I do is I plan a menu for the entire month. So I'll start like this, like right now I'm planning for the month of September. So I'll start September 1st and go all the way down to the last day in September. And I plan my menu for each day. And then throughout the month, I will break it into 2-week segments. And as I am planning my month, then I will do 2 weeks worth of grocery hauls. So I don't know if that makes sense. I'll have to show you on the computer sometime. I think I could screenshot it. But basically, as I'm planning my menu, I'm also typing up my grocery list for 2-week periods. So hopefully that makes sense. And it is a lot of fun. I get my recipes. I have a ton of WW cookbooks. If you guys watched one of my most recent hauls, you saw that I got the WW Personal Points cookbook. Finally, I'm always a day late and $1 short when it comes to getting that kind of stuff. But I'm really excited to have it now. And I found some really fun recipes in there. In fact, I think some of my recipes for this week, which I'm going to share with you guys, may come from them. And then I like to get on Pinterest and the WW app and look for recipes there. So anyways, let me go ahead and share with you what I have planned for my menu this week. I do have to put my glasses on. I'm using my Jeffree Star light, which means once I get these bad boys on, look, I got stars in my eyes. Stars in my eyes for you guys. Ooh. So anyways, I have my computer right here next to me. So if you hear me scrolling or if you see me looking down at the kind of at the corner of the screen, I'm actually looking at my computer screen so that I can share my menu with you. If there is a link to a recipe that I can share with you guys, I will post it down in the description. If you guys have had these recipes before, let me know what you think. And of course, if you have any questions about points or ingredients, let me know. With the personal points plan, it's kind of hard to figure out what the point values are going to be because everybody's plan is different. So yeah, anyways, let me know if you have any questions. That was my point with that. Let me go ahead and scroll down here. I'm going to start with, man, I wish I would have done this last week for you guys. I had some really good recipes last week. Okay, anyways. Mondays I like to do a crock pot meal so that I can kind of get stuff set up on Sunday night, throw it in the crock pot on Monday morning, and then all we have to do is come home and do a little bit of cooking, maybe depending on what the meal calls for, and then we can relax. So tomorrow, which is Monday, August 29th, and I don't even know when you guys are going to see this. I'm sure that it will be past the start of the week. I don't know. But anyways, I'm doing a recipe from my Personal Points cookbook. As I plan, I like to put little sticky notes at the top of the pages with the dates on it. And then if I have any notes, like this recipe that I'm making tomorrow, I need to set aside half of it because I'm going to use it for another recipe later on in the week. So I leave all my little notes there. I am going to be making something called Hearty lentil tomato soup. If I can find it on Pinterest or on the WW app, I'll link it down below for you. On Tuesdays, we always do lunch meat sandwiches and chips or any leftovers that we have. Wednesdays, there are movie nights. So we do pizza, salad, and movies. I like to get those chopped salads, the kits that they have, and I like to add some chicken to it, and that's usually what I eat on our pizza and movie night. Thursday, this is where I have to use the last half of my hearty lentil soup. We are doing meatless shepherd pie. And again, that comes from the WW Personal Points book. It is on page 94. Let me see if I can find a picture for you. There, see? It's right there. And then you can see I have my sticky note, and then I have this where it says double recipe. So it just helps me stay organized. Friday, we always do leftovers. This weekend, I'm actually going out of town with my family. My mom always takes me and my brother, my sisters, and our whole families on a trip once a year over Labor Day weekend. And that's this weekend. We're going to stay in a vacation rental by us, VRBO house. It's like a great big 7-bedroom house with a heated pool and a hot tub, and it's got like a great big fire pit outside. It's going to be really fun. It's in Mansfield, Ohio. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So anyways, my mom does all the food planning for those trips. I will take some food options along with me just in case, because I don't know what my mom's going to do, and I don't feel like being the kind of person that says, I can't eat that, let's do something else. So if I have to just make myself a quick little sandwich or something, I will, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So Saturday we'll be eating there. Sunday we'll be eating there. We're coming back on Monday. So Monday I'm planning on eating out probably for lunch. We'll go to like a Wendy's or a fast food place, and I don't know what I will have there, but I will find a WW friendly choice. I know I can make it work. And then when we get back on Monday, just to keep it simple, instead of doing the crock pot because I won't have time to set it up, I'm planning on doing lunch meat sandwiches and chips. So I did go one day over on this, but I wanted to keep the vacation days connected and tell you how I made that type of stuff work for me. So yeah. Anyways, I'm really excited to give that meatless shepherd pie a try. It should be interesting. And then the lentil soup, I've never even made lentils before. I bought them and they were like little plastic bags full, so I don't know if I need to soak them or what, but I guess I will get that figured out. So anyways, guys, that is my weigh-in and my menu plan for next week. I discussed my goals. Let me know down in the comments what your goals are for the week. How do you guys struggle with figuring out whether you're actually hungry and you need to eat, or if it's just your emotions messing with you and making you feel like you're hungry? Let me know down in the comments how you handle those situations. So yeah, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love the chance to get to know you better and share our journeys. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.